Hi guys, I just wanted to give you a quick little overview of this new tool that we didn't talk much about last week, but I told you it's really a cool tool that you may want to go ahead and sign up for because it is free. And the easy version of this is just a place where you can save all of the tools you learned this semester. They're just bookmarks. This is set up and I put it as a mood board, but of course you can change it. It's got a media view, grid view. Some people like it a little more organized. And I have included every tool we've learned this semester, plus tools that you could probably use for distance learning ideas. And I've also included some articles and some videos that could help you out if you needed them. So this is posted right in your content section for the distance learning plan that you'll be creating. So you should recognize a lot of these, but some of them may become more interesting to you as you look through them and make your plan. But what I really like about this Wakelet, if I can go out, hit done, is you can kind of make it act like a hyperdoc. So for example, if you go to Search School, you can find ideas of things that people have put together as they put together a group of resources for students. Here's an example, a class research project that a teacher put together and posted. You can see they must be studying Australia. And she just put directions in. You can just put in directions on your own. And then linked some pictures. There's a map. And as you go down, you can add videos, you can add links to articles, you can add links to different tools that students can use. You can put whatever you want and just list them in whatever order you would like, and then you'll share this board with your students. So if we go ahead and take this home, you can see this is exactly what it's going to look like if you set it up, and these are some of the things that I've put together, the different collections. I put on the fly together just because sometimes I find a site that I think is really interesting, but I want to give it more time and look at it later. And so I'll add it on the fly and check it out later. So you can see all of my different collections. But if you want to make something based on a topic that you want to create as a lesson plan, you just create a new collection. And you do not have to upload an image. You actually got a place you can choose from the library. And these are fair use, so you can choose whatever you want. I'm just going to put some bubbles just to make it a little bit fun, but you can put in a topic if you want in the search item, and it'll pull up whatever you're studying, according to what they have in their stock. All right, so then you may want to put a title for your collection. Let's learn about subtraction. Actually, let's do a better topic. Let's learn about the water cycle. So then you could put a description for your collection and just start with some basic instructions. In this lesson, you will learn all about the water cycle. Okay? And here's the cool thing also, if you add that in, you can see all these options that you have too. So this is text. Whoops, that was text. So here's where you write it. In this lesson, you'll learn all about the water cycle. All right, and then when you hit done, you'll see it's going to pop up, and when it goes in, and it's published for the students. Check it out. You've got the immersive reader, so it can actually read to students that have some difficulty.
You'll learn all about the water cycle.
You can create your lesson right in here, and it helps students as they're going through it. I think this is a great option for creating subplans or distant learning activities. You don't even have to have a learning management system because it's there. It's right there set up for you. The other thing that I like, and I'm going to edit my collection. If you ever need to edit it, you just click edit. And when you add something, look at all your options. Of course, you can put a URL with videos, links to sites you want them to check out. Oh, you can do a link to a brain pop video, YouTube videos. You can even do tweets, which I wouldn't do with your students, but images, PDFs, something from your Google Drive. This is my favorite. You can add a Flipgrid video. So if you haven't done that before, that's a lot of fun. And your students would be able to see you when you're out or if you're doing distance learning. And so I think that's really important because it gives them a chance to hear your voice and see you and stay connected to the classroom. Anyway, check out this tool. Once you put it together, you just click done. And you can actually share this. It's not done yet, but once you decide to, it's in edit mode. Once you decide to share it, you'll just click share and it will give you a link that you can share with your students and it'll take them right to this page. So that's it. Just a real quick rundown of what you can use Wakelet for. I definitely would sign up for this, and you can actually take my bookmarks in and save them and use them yourself in future classes or when you start teaching.